कैसे हैं आप लोग? I'll start today's episodes with these lines of Peter Drucker. If you want something new, you have to stop doing something old. कितनी सही बात कही है ना फेमस ऑथर पीटर ड्रकर ने. आई फील ये बात इंडियन मेडिकल रिसर्च पर बड़ी सटीक बैठती है. एक इंसिडेंस मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहूंगा. इट वॉज अबाउट द टाइम व्हेन आई वॉज स्टार्टिंग विद माई सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ MBBS. I was walking down the road with my best friend in the campus late night, and we were discussing why India always tend to follow everything from the Western world. मैं उससे यही कह रहा था कि यार ये कॉम्प्लेक्स इंग्लिश नेम्स मेरे को याद करने पड़ते हैं. स्टीफन हॉकिंग्स, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. आई यूज्ड टू फॉरगेट दीज कॉम्प्लेक्स नेम इन माय चाइल्डहुड. मैं यही बोल रहा था कि बचपन में मेरे को बहुत मुश्किल हुई इनको याद करने में, और ये शायद सभी को होती है. तब मुझे इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं पता थी कि ये लोग कौन है. बट लेटर ऑन आई रियलाइज कि दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट नेम्स इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस. When it comes to science and research, India is always dependent to the Western world. We have approximately 60,000 MBBS students graduating every year. But when I look at the publications out of those 60,000 MBBS students, I got around 100 publications per annum. That's a very low number. I was discussing these things with my best friend. मतलब ये कि हम आज़ादी के 73 साल बाद भी रिसर्च में अभी भी गुलाम हैं. मैं मेरे दोस्त को यही कह रहा था कि यार शायद ये उस भेड़ चाल का नतीजा है जिसमें हम सालों से चले आ रहे हैं. It was then we decided we should break this chain. We should find our own ways. और तब हमने अपने आप को कहीं खोजना चाहा. हमने पता किया ICMR के बारे में. ICMR is Indian Council of Medical Research. And after that we got enrolled in the whole process. आज हम उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. And now I would like to invite my best friend, मेरा 4AM friend जिससे मैं काफ़ी कुछ सीखता हूँ. He has published several research papers and has presented many in international and national conferences like ISCOMS. He also headed the post of research committee in the UG National Conference NISACON. He is an avid drummer and a fitness freak. Dr. Shobhit Piplani, everyone. Shobhit, welcome to the show, Shobhit.
Thank you, Priyanshu, for having me here.
How have you been?
I'm good. Like आपके इस podcast के बारे में जान के it's been really thrilling कि एक Indian platform में, और even not even an Indian, international platform, it's one of its kind कि किसी ने ऐसा platform चालू करा है जहाँ मतलब UG को इतनी importance दी जाती है. वरना all over the period we have कोई cardiologist या interventions या motivational podcast सुनता है. तो this is a really amazing project from your side.
Yeah, thank you for your kind words. Shobhit, could you please briefly tell how it all started?
So actually the real inspiration was my brother, who is currently a cardiologist at Mayo Clinic, America. So मतलब मैं जब first year में था and he was like maybe in final year and he was going at ISCOMS. So rather than my interest into research, my aim was actually to attend the conference and meet like-minded people. So it all started with that. So it was I think around July or August, and I was just looking up online और मुझे पता लगा कि ICMR की starting point आने वाला है अक्टूबर में. So that all made me started कि okay, that's a turning point कि let's enroll your, और वहाँ से all the journey began.
So it was about starting with the thought of making connection and growing in a new field of research. So could you please describe your journey with ICMR STS? Like how did you begin with the STS process? What is the first key thing you did after we got to know about the ICMR?
So I think the moment I came to know about ICMR, मेरा पहला जो thing which struck me was that looking for a suitable project which can be suitable for a undergraduate and is unique in its own way. So मैंने अपने mentor को पहले choose करा, who guided me to like check on PubMed और Google Scholar कि मेरे को कौन सा article suit कर सकता है, which is possible in the settings of a college, because कई बार अपन ऐसे topics ले लेते हैं which sounds very great and scientific but it's not possible. So मैंने पहले एक normal article choose करा और उस पर research start करनी. तो I went into PubMed and उसके बारे में पूरा review of literature किया. देन उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग अ प्रपोजल. उस प्रपोजल को मैंने फिर ICMR को भेजा, and after I think maybe 2 months or so they accepted the proposal and it was very cheerful moment for me. फिर उसके बाद it all started, then the rest of the journey begin with that.
What did you choose first? Like first you went to a mentor, or first you decided a topic?
Honestly, because I was new to all this, so I first chose my mentor, because who can help me and guide me and whom I am comfortable with sharing my thoughts. So first I chose the mentor, then he helped me actually to choose the topic.
Okay, so it was very unique thing. So since the procedure was complex, could you simplify the whole procedure, like starting from the proposal, ending with the report publication and getting a certificate and a scholarship? Could you please briefly simplify it for us?
So if you want briefly, I would say the moment that my proposal got accepted, so I began writing a re-proposal for the ethics committee. So before starting any project, I had to go to the ethics committee. वहाँ पे मैंने अपना जो proposal था उसे modify करा, consent form both in English, Hindi and Kannada बनाया. So because as Belgaum is a Kannada dominant region, so मैंने उसको कन्नड़ में बनाया, and after I think 1 month or so after many ethical committee meetings, it got accepted. उसके बाद once it got accepted, I started recruiting my samples. So मैंने I think 2 or 3 colleges लिए जो मेरे sample size को fit करते हैं, and with the help of a simple tool like Excel and I would say a vacutainer जिसमें saliva sample ले सकते हैं, मैंने उसको लिया and I went to the colleges and around 100-120 samples लिए. Samples लेने के बाद उसे process किया. It all depends तुम्हारे material methods क्या है, तो I won't go into details, but हाँ उसको पहले मैंने methodology लिखी कि मेरे को कैसे उसको proceed करना है. उसके बाद जैसे sample आए तो मैंने उसको analyze करा and briefly उसको SPSS, most common people use SPSS or maybe Prisma, तो मैंने उसको करके एनालाइज करके डेटा उसको एक प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट में लिखा. फिर उसके बाद जो रिपोर्ट राइटिंग कंप्लीट होने के बाद मे बी आई थिंक इट वाज इन जुलाई और अगस्त, फिर मैंने वापस ICMR को सबमिट करा एंड मे बी दे टेक अराउंड 3 to 4 months to analyze the report and how authenticity project की and the uniqueness, and उसके बाद it got accepted finally, and I think maybe a year later I got the scholarship.
हाँ तो शोभित, how did it feel like? What was the feeling of getting ICMR STS research certificate and a scholarship of 10,000 rupees?
So I would say like it was an amazing feeling, Priyanshu, because अपन normally जो लोग UG में we just go by the books, like 2 months पहले एग्जाम हुए पढ़ा, और like we just waste a lot of time की just hanging out with friends. I would say that's really important, but ICMR was a game changer for me, or maybe it's for every UG people who has done it. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and the moment the scholarship came, it was like a first salary for me. So I was so joyful and enthusiastic. Okay, I have earned something in my life, and that was like one of the amazing moments I still remember in my UG days.
Okay, तो मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा हुआ होगा कि ऑफिस के अंदर वो एनवेलप आया और फिर वहां से आपको कॉल आ रहा है कि ओके आपका ये सर्टिफिकेट आया हुआ है, एंड द मोमेंट यू पिक द सर्टिफिकेट एंड इट गिव यू अ गूज बम्प्स, लाइक इट्स अ अमेजिंग फीलिंग आई थिंक.
Yeah, so I remember still that it was very rare कि मुझे प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस से या किसी से भी कहीं से ऐसे कॉल आए किसी UG को, and I was still, I think it was maybe Monday or something, and I had missed my posting for some reason, and I got a call from UG office, and I was like so shocked कि okay यार maybe my posting professor has complained कि यार ये आज कॉलेज नहीं आया, but I was really shocked जब मुझे पता लगा कि यार my certificate has arrived, and I was in a dilemma in a way कि यार ये क्या हुआ अचानक से, and I just went there. I still knew कि what I was wearing that day, and I just went there and grabbed my certificate, and it was like a different kind of feeling I really can't explain in words.
हाँ तो शोभित, what would you suggest to the UGs now? When to start, how to start, and how to choose a topic or a guide, appropriate guide? What are the things to be taken care of?
So when to start exactly, I would say it's never too late for that. Even if you are in final year, even if you're in first year, I think you should go ahead with it, even if your exams are on your head. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि फर्स्ट ईयर में as soon as a person can start, he should start ASAP once he gets into college. कि मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर के 2-3 महीने हुए हैं, and like he's doing nothing in the college and maybe he just he feels like उसका time बहुत waste हो रहा है, or maybe he's not into extra curricular, और तो उसी वक्त उसे start कर देना चाहिए. And talking about mentor, मुझे लगता है mentor is someone who is very very important in the whole process, because yeah, sometimes your mentor may be very strict, or sometimes he's not approachable, sometimes he's very good researcher but he's not approachable, he's busy into his own publications, or maybe he has a lot of things in his hands, or maybe उसके हाथ में और students है. तो एक ऐसा mentor choose करना चाहिए जो approachable हो, friendly हो, I would say, and who is open to ideas, who is open to your process of thinking and your needs. So that kind of mentor is best for you. बाकी it's all up to you कि जिसको जैसे comfortable लगे, but that's how I chose my mentors.
कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं कि दुनिया से हट के काम कर रहे हो तो शायद बहुत अलग सा प्रेशर आएगा कि कॉलेज के अंदर कौन क्या बोलेगा? बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर कि हम लोग साथ में ही कर रहे थे, तो आई रिमेम्बर कि पीपल वर सेइंग कि ये क्या कर रहे हो, ओके तुम्हारे को तो यही करना है, तुम्हारे को और कुछ करने को मिला नहीं क्या? The people have so many things in their mind and people don't know the exact meaning of ICMR STS. They don't know the importance of it. So how do you see it? Like people talk very much about you when you take an initiative. So did it affected you in some way, in some other way कि हाँ बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ बात कर रहे हैं अभी इस टाइम पे?
So honestly it didn't affect me at all actually, because मतलब I was doing something for other from the crowd. So पहले मुझे लगा था कि नहीं यार लोग will be thinking कि he's compromising his studies, or maybe he should be like involved in friends or something. But slowly I think maybe it was like a 1 month thing कि मुझे लोगों को लगा कि यार he was wasting his a lot of time. But slowly and suddenly a lot of people wanted to join me, but actually it was very late for them because the ICMR deadline was already over by then. तो मुझे लगा कि मतलब it was the best moment कि मतलब अच्छा है कि मैंने करा, और like I never regret it.
Okay, so there is a misconception in many UG students that people who are doing ICMR STS are those people who are fighting for USMLE or who are enrolling themselves in abroad for residency. Do you agree with this thought? The people who are up for the residency in abroad, they only should do ICMR research?
No, that's really a myth, I would say, because honestly India is becoming a hub for research. Maybe not now, maybe from next year, maybe next 10 years from now, because I would say कि America or maybe UK and maybe Australia, they are really inspiring students to do the research, but it's really not necessary कि सिर्फ जो ये बच्चे इन locations के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं उन्हें ही research करनी चाहिए, because एक research is something, maybe for example you need diabetes. अब मैं देखा है, I remember you doing research on diabetes. So जब तूने डायबिटीज पे किया था तो यू नो कि जो करंट गाइडलाइंस है, एंड मे बी ये इट्स काइंड ऑफ एन एक्टिव वे ऑफ लर्निंग, आई वुड से, बिकॉज मतलब देखो किसी के ड्रग्स के बारे में पता नहीं था, एंड मे बी न्यू ड्रग्स जो मार्केट में है जो अपन बुक्स में नहीं पढ़ पाते बट वो वहाँ पे है, तो इट वुड नॉट ओनली बूस्ट योर इंटरेस्ट इन टू मेडिसिन, बट हाँ तेरे जो थ्योरी स्किल्स है एंड प्रैक्टिकल स्किल में विल ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. सो मुझे लगता है even if the person is doing for India PG or maybe for America, he should definitely go with the research.
Okay, so it doesn't matter कि आप क्या करने वाले हो in future, you should apply for it, I think.
हाँ पक्का, मुझे लगता है कि 100% उसे करना चाहिए.
Okay, there is one more thing कि लोग ICMR proposal दे देते हैं, फिर they got rejected somehow, they get. So how did you deal with your second time rejection?
Yeah, it happened with me for the second time. I remember कि like everyone proposed about getting accepted, and I was in a hope कि मेरा भी accept होगा, but sadly it didn't get accepted, and I was little sad about it. But okay, I thought it's fine, doesn't matter even if it got accepted or not, and so I continued with my project. And I remember कि तू अपना tuberculosis वाला project कर रहा था, and side by side I was doing mine. So मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा कि I was involved in some way, and I think even not only me, मतलब जिसी का भी reject हो उसे अपना project continue करना चाहिए, because what's the harm in that? ICMR is just a platform to publish your research, I would say, or maybe get acquainted with the things, but because I knew the things, और मुझे तो लगा कि यार मतलब it's a kind of way कि मैं I can go more deep into telomeres, because मेरा telomere पे था, because पहला वाला मेरा research बहुत basic था, but this time it was really into telomeres with ischemic heart disease patients. So that I was lucky I continued it, and that project is on PubMed now, and it's published in Indian Heart Journal, and I'm really lucky to do that.
Okay. Do you feel the need of promotion of ICMR STS, as many people in the north really know about the process? So, do you feel there should be a UG research council in every college, medical college?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ करिकुलम कि एक स्टूडेंट को मे बी इन टोटल 5 years they have to publish a paper. I would say because not only it increases the value of the college they are studying in, but उनके खुद के personal development के लिए it's very important, because we know there's MCI and NMC, they have made the guidelines for professors, I would say, but UG में होना चाहिए because they are the building blocks of the medical society of the future. So उनके लिए तो really this would be important part of the curriculum. I would research should be there in the curriculum.
So, how ICMR STS can be improved from a UG student perspective?
मुझे लगता है ICMR STS is complete in its own way, but if you are asking me about that, मुझे जो problem आती थी कि research बन गई, report is ready, but there's no platform for publishing it. So my first paper, and I have no hopes right now कि it will get published or not. So मुझे लगता है उन्हें एक free open journal बनानी चाहिए जिसमें ICMR report should be accepted, at least for people who have done their ICMR project, because honestly it's a waste doing ICMR. मतलब it's a wonderful experience, but waste in a sense because okay, report is done, now what? It's not on internet, it's not accessible, or maybe they should make a database where every report should accessible very easily, or it should be on not even PubMed or even Google Scholar, maybe EPUB, somewhere where it's accessible on internet. So that's my suggestion.
Okay. आई थिंक कोई सुन रहा होगा तो इस सजेशन को जरूर डालेगा कहीं ना कहीं, तो आई होप कोई तो सुन रहा हो. So, Shobit, how UG research can improve the overall picture in Indian medical research? What is the importance of UG research?
Yeah, मुझे तो लगता है because यार जो बाद में जाके we see the well-known faces, the interventionists, the cardiologists, जो अपन अभी जिनके guidelines follow कर रहे हैं, I hope hopefully they must have also started very late, but coming to a point कि अगर वो UG में start कर देते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि आज जो उनके citations है, maybe if it's around 1000, तो maybe I think वो 1000 के 10,000 होते because वो बहुत जल्दी acquaint हो जाते थे. Like we all know about the critical age period जो एक infant को न्यूरॉन डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करता है, विच इज लेस देन 5 years में उसके 700 times मोर इंक्रीज न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं एक अडल्ट से. तो अगर सेम चीज किसी के साथ यूजी में हो जाती तो he should have known about the statistics parts, the journal citation part, and their PubMed indexing and everything. तो वो 10 times boost करता है उनकी already published citations, and हमें एक अच्छे algorithms मिलते हैं. And we have seen in corona virus times की कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि इंडिया, मोस्ट ऑफ द रिसर्च आर फ्रॉम अमेरिका, मे बी इटली और मे बी यूके, बट इंडिया इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई फील कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यूजी में एज सून एज पॉसिबल स्टार्ट हो.
सो या शोभित, दैट्स इट. ये तो ICMR STS के बारे में मेरे को जानना था आपसे कि कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टू द शो शोभित. इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू.
Thank you, Pranchi, for having me here. It was a great experience, and I hope that this podcast reaches the ears of many UG students and they get inspired. Even if one gets inspired out of 100, I think this is a successful podcast. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.